Trading gold can multiply your account very fast, but only if your broker is not working against you. The video on your screen is the very small account size that I use to play several positions. Now, can your broker do that? Now, in case you want to use this broker that I use, the link I pinned it in the comment section or in this video description so that you know it's the right time to use another broker. So how do you know if you are currently using the wrong broker? How to know if you're using the wrong broker is if you have delay while you're trying to withdraw. The moment you click buy or sell, it waits a little more, like maybe a second or 2 seconds before your order is executed. Wild spread, like immediately you click buy or sell, you will be in a high volume of loss already. So if you are facing any of these currently, that is the easiest way to kill your account. Because why wouldn't you find it easy to withdraw? Like if I I withdraw no matter the amount. If I want to deposit $7 or withdraw $200, it is as simple as ABC. Within a sec, the withdrawal is completed. As for order execution, the moment you click, it is supposed to be active instead of waiting for the price to move up a little bit to make your buy enter. Like, it just doesn't make sense. So for those of you that have seen several of my trades and are asking me, which broker do you use? I'd love to use your broker. Well, the broker that I use is Exness, and here is my reason, because I've tried several brokers in the past before finally choosing this Exness for these reasons. The spread of Exness is tight. Like the moment you click buy or sell, you won't be in red so much. Like the moment you click buy or sell, the spread is actually very minimal. Spread is, whether you're buying or you're selling, that moment you make that entry, that moment that order is executed, you see that it seems you are in loss. Okay, but then with Exness, it's very tiny. Yeah, like very, very tiny. You won't be in a lot of loss just because you use a particular broker. So after checking this, I said, man, I'm actually losing by not using Exness. So that's why I switched to it. Because I do not lose anything by using it, so why would I be using the ones that are costing me money instead, right? So it is risky to lose extra penny when I can actually get extra penny at no extra cost. The other reason for me is instant or fast execution. The moment I click buy or sell, immediately is activated. There is nothing like extra 1 second delay. That's just my reason. And now for newbies or people that are trying to test with very small amounts, the reason why you need Exness is you can actually deposit as little as $5 or even $10 in the standard cent account, and then it will appear right there as if you have thousands of dollars. So while you're trying to practice with very small amount size, is actually easier to use it. So for those of you that have been asking me, which broker do you use? What do I need to know before I choose a broker and all of that? Still keep coming with me, because there is more reasons you need to know why I use Exness. One of the major reasons for me again is fast withdrawal and deposit. Withdrawing my money or depositing it shouldn't really be an issue. There is no long process. Click withdrawal, type in the amount you want to withdraw and click confirm. That is all. Like, no long process, man. Okay. And then for deposit, click and type in the amount you want to deposit. Deposit that exact same amount, and that is all. It's like, you don't need to go learning or looking for even videos on how to do those things, because they made it stupid simple and easily processed within a few seconds. And another reason for me is that Exness is the most reliable that I've come across. Like I told you, I've used several other brokers, and then you can link Exness to MT4 or MT5 to even help you use every other tools out there. Yeah, you see, whether you use mobile phone or you want to be able to mark your chart or try out several other things, that is the reason why it's actually easy for me to use Exness. Like, you know, most of the time, or even all the time, not most of the time, all the time, I just use my phone, because all the tools that I need to draw, to mark lines and all of that is actually there in TradingView or MetaTrader 5, which I've already linked to my Exness to, so I don't need to start undergoing any other long process. Don't gamble with your broker. And for me, Exness is that partner that I can trust to focus on trading instead of simply chasing payouts. Because the reality is that your broker should be your partner and not your opponent. If you're serious about trading gold, XAU USD, or any pair at all, you can start using Exness right now via the link I pinned in the video description, or even in this channel bio for all of you that have been asking. And remember to share this video to help those that have been wondering exactly which broker trading. Can I trade with small account? Can I do this and all of that? Share this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to get more source like this. Remember, you can start with demo account while trading with Exness, because they actually have what they call free 10,000 virtual fund for you to trade with. And now, also remember that Forex trading is risky. Don't get too excited and go there and blow your account, right? But however it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this.